How do I install VMware Player on a macOS X? I went to their site and downloaded a bundle which automatically turned into a text file after downloading. Long story short, I can't run the text file because I guess Mountain Lion macOS X isn't a strict Linux box and is missing some core components to do that type of installation. Does anyone know how to install VMware?
There is no version of VMware Player for OS X. Neither the new /Linux version nor the version from Freeb's ports will work. Instead, VMware sells a Mac version of their product called VMware Fusion. If you don't want to purchase VMware Fusion, you can use Boot Camp to some other OS. The OS itself should run fine. Use Boot Camp and run Player from the other OS. Untested since I do not have a OS/X host. Use other products such as VirtualBox or Parallels. VirtualBox can use virtual hard disks in VMware's VMDK format, like so.
VMware Fusion 12 Player is now available for free, personal use license, but works only on macOS Catalina 10.15 Plus and above.